For joining me in today's video. So as you can tell by the title of the video, that we had a secret launch that we recently did on our website and also on our social media platforms. So it's only fair that we come here on YouTube and we tell you guys about our new product. So we decided to launch a press-on nail collection. Yes, we decided to launch a press-on nail collection because there is no other perfect time for us to do such a launch, especially when our beautiful senoritas are very anxious about going to nail salon.
It's a pandemic! It's a pandemic.
And you don't want to abandon certain parts of your beauty routine, and one of them is your nails. So we decided to launch this product because firstly, it cuts down the time that it takes for you to make sure that you have beautiful nails, whether you're going to an event or you just want to do your self-care day and you don't want to abandon your nails. Secondly, our press-on nails are very affordable and they are made with salon quality gel polish. And thirdly, our press-on nails are very different to the ones that are available in the market in terms of them being trendy, in terms of them being various colors and various designs that you can choose from, because we know that ladies don't always want the same thing. They always love having options and they love having variety. So we created these press-on nails in mind with the trends that are currently happening in the beauty industry or in the nail industry. And these are some of the examples of the press-on nails that we have. So firstly, we have the black gold nails. The black gold nails they are in black, and they also have gold foil in them. And they also have the middle finger has like a marble brown and a marble and black effect, and it also has gold rhinestones. And then secondly, we have the Barbie Dreams set. So the Barbie Dreams set is very girly, very cute, very flirty. So that is the Barbie Dreams set, and it's actually one of my personal favorites because pink is my favorite color. And then the third one is the orange tint. So the orange tint also has those trendy colors, trendy designs, and you also find some gold foil there. And then the next one is the Orange You Glad set. The Orange You Glad set is more of a classic set because it has an ombre effect. So it has orange gel polish and also orange or gold sparkles at the bottom, which are the ombre effects that you will see. Next set of nails is the Lady in Red set. So this one is very elegant, very timeless, very classy, but it is still on trend because you can see those rhinestones on the pinky finger. So it is just red gel polish, and then one finger will have rhinestones on it. The next set is more for our hippie bougie babe who loves world peace and all about everybody getting together. So that is the Flower Power set, and the Flower Power set has different types of pastel colors, different types of flower designs as well. And then the next one is the Blue Ocean set. So this one is very much given vacay vibes, out on vacations or solo vacations, because we all can't go outside. So it's a little bit of a nostalgic set for when we actually do manage to go outside and manage to go on vacations. It has butterflies and flower details, and again, it's on trend because it has those squiggly lines or those lines that people really like on their nails. So those are some of the nails that you can find on our website. Be sure to visit www.agripubika.store, or you can go to Yaga. If you have the Yaga app, you can shop there as well, and we will give you a free gift if you purchase one of our press-on nails. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can!